morning students, I hope you all are doing great at your places, and today we'll be studying about prepositions. As we all know, what do you mean by prepositions? Prepositions basically tells the relationship between noun and pronoun. So let's just begin. Title of our chapter is the preposition, right? You just have to make a list of preposition in the given space. You can write on, it, on, above, under, in, at. All these are kind of prepositions. You just read the following sentences carefully that my book is on the table. मेरी book table पे है. My book is under the table. Table के नीचे है. My book is between two tables. दो table के बीच में है. And my book is beside the table. Table के beside है. Above sentences में जो colored word है, that is on, under, besides and between, it basically shows that how there is a relationship between book and table. So these colored words, they are prepositions. So thus we can say the words which are used before noun and a pronoun to show a relationship with another noun and pronoun in a sentence, उसी को हम क्या बोलते हैं? Preposition. So preposition shows the position and of course the location of something, and prepositions को हम position words भी बोलते हैं. So the prepositions, they show the following. जैसे location में above, below, over, under, among, besides, in front of, right, behind, next to, with, in, on, it, in the middle of, etc. Time के लिए an, on, by, before, from, since, during, to, until, before, etc. Action और movement के लिए at, to, from, into, on, to, out of, etc. Right? What are the use of some prepositions? देखिए, you have to read the following prepositions along with their usage. Prepositions, they are showing the location. Above means the fan is above the head. सर के ऊपर fan है. Below, a mouse is sitting below the table. Table के नीचे बैठा है. Over, birds are flying over the tree. Tree के ऊपर कर रही हैं. Out of, the children will get out of the room tomorrow. Right? Or you can say now. Under means नीचे. A cat is under the coat. Right? Among means the farmer has divided the property among his four sons. चार बेटों में उन्होंने divide कर दिए. Besides means Bharti is sitting beside her mother. Mother के पास बैठी है. In front of means सामने. There is a park in front of my house. मेरे घर के सामने park है. Behind, a cow is standing behind the wall. पीछे ही खड़ी है. Next to, Amit live next to my house. मेरे घर के एकदम पास में रहता है. Between, father divides the property, or you can say toffee between Bharti और me. In the middle of, there is a dining table in the middle of the hall के बीच में. Dining table है off. Turn off the lights when you will go out. जब आप जाएंगे तो please light off कर दीजिएगा. On. There is a balloon on the table के ऊपर है. In, Pooja is in the kitchen. वो अंदर है. I was at my house in the morning. सुबह में मैं अपने घर में था. What are the prepositions which are showing the time? देखिए at, I'll get up 6 AM. मैं 6 बजे उठ जाता हूँ. On, my father will came on Sunday. वो Sunday में आए थे. By, Sohan went to Delhi by 8:30 AM. Before, I will arrive before 8 PM. That is 8 बजे से पहले मैं आ जाऊँगा. I'll be there from Sunday to Wednesday. That is from, since Abhi has been there since Monday. Monday से है वहाँ पे. For, Rohit took leave for 3 days. 3 दिन के लिए रोहित ने लीव लिया. During, it's very hot during the summer में बहुत hot होती है. 2, I'll go to school from Monday to Saturday. Right? Until she looked after him. Until the doctor came. जब तक डॉक्टर नहीं आया. Lucky will be leave after Monday. Monday के बाद वहाँ से चला जाएगा. What are the prepositions with action and movement at? Let's meet at the railway station पे मिलते हैं. ये रेलवे रिलेशन नहीं है, इट्स स्टेशन. राइट? बाय, आई गो टू दिल्ली बाय बस से मैं जाऊंगी. फ्रॉम, अमित कम्स फ्रॉम चेन्नई. वो चेन्नई से आ रहे हैं. इनटू द लाइन, जंप्ड इनटू द वेल. एकदम अंदर चला गया. ऑन, ही विल ट्रैवल ऑन द ट्रेन. वो ट्रेन के ऊपर ट्रैवल करेंगे. आउट ऑफ, that is students have gone out of the class. Right? So the words which are used before a noun and a pronoun and they show a relationship with another noun or a pronoun, इसको हम prepositions बोलते हैं. Prepositions को हम position words भी बोलते हैं. Moving on to the exercise, first we'll be completing with the OMR sheet. Amit goes dash school. Amit goes to school. Right? So its first one is goes to school. Right? The lion jumped into the well. Well के अंदर चला गया. I am writing with my pen. मैं अपने पेन के साथ लिख रही हूँ. The sun rises in the east. One is fourth. I have to come dash Lucknow. I have to come from Lucknow. B. Right? We have to fill in the blanks with the suitable preposition. Shivi likes listening to music. Right? He was walking on the road. Road के ऊपर चल रहा था. Right? You are too fat. You need to take a diet. You need to go on a diet. Diet के ऊपर आ जाना चाहिए. The sun sets in the west. Right? The cat is dash the cupboard trying to catch a mouse. The cat is over the cupboard and she's trying to catch a mouse. So that was all about prepositions. Please go through the preposition, learn all the meanings of their respective prepositions that we have studied. Keep reading each day and stay blessed. Thank you.